Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone is on, unlocked, and above 5% battery. This prevents interruptions while changing charging behavior. Once ready, open Settings and type Battery or Charging in the search bar to jump straight to the right menu. Make sure the phone is not actively charging on the cable. Unplug it now. This clears any temporary charging state, so the toggle you change will apply cleanly, and you won't be misled by a live charging indicator. Now navigate within Battery Settings. Tap Battery, then Battery Settings or the More menu depending on model. Look for a switch labeled Fast Charging, Quick Charge, or Supercharge. Vivo labels vary across F, V, and X series, but the option is usually here. If the toggle is grayed out, the phone may request your lock screen passcode or fingerprint to allow system changes. Provide it. Once you find the switch, you're ready to flip it off, so the phone will charge at standard speed going forward. Flip the fast charging toggle off and then reconnect your charger to confirm the charge speed drops. You should see a standard charging indicator versus a fast charge icon. If the change doesn't take effect immediately, reboot the phone and check again. Some system settings need a restart. If it still charges quickly, test with a different cable and charger and install any pending system updates. Corrupted profiles or alternate chargers can override the setting. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.